Hello, good evening to all of you. And I want to welcome you most sincerely to Kigali, Rwanda. But also, thank you very much, Ntare School, old boys. I don't know why they put there the old part, but Ntare School is there forever. It doesn't grow old. It stays in one form or another. It renews itself. But I want to thank you for something else, and that is taking some of us back to Ntare School that you have very good memories of. Your presence here, the young and old boys of Ntare School, brings back the very good memories we have of Ntare School. I've seen people were together with and started the Ntare School at the same time. Here, as explained earlier, we've also seen our teachers. I was telling my teacher at Ntare School, Umugisha, I was whispering to him that he doesn't have to spill the beans here. He can keep everything to himself. Only the two of us can talk about it if we. But in fact, for some of us, for me personally, there are, up to this point, since I was born, there are a number of things that built me up, and a number of them, I will mention a few. One that relates to Ntare School. I was also brought up in a way at Ntare School. But we were brought up, some of us, in Uganda itself. Some of us lived in Uganda for many years as refugees. That in itself had its own lessons and shaping of all of us as for, in the end, who we became. So Uganda, Ntare School, and many other things in between. But Ntare School is very significant in that life journey. So this is why we invest or have invested our time, our passion, in this partnership around this school, entire school. It brings together people from all kinds of backgrounds, walks of life. It brings together Rwanda and Uganda, many things. So that school we have built to symbolize and give value to that partnership is only the beginning. We shall continue to grow it. And grow it bearing in mind this importance of entire school itself. I don't know whether I should say it here, but earlier in our discussions with the leaders of this strong partnership around entire school, I was even suggesting that like you put names, like in entire school. I was staying in originally Stanley, then Pioneer, all right? And there are many names, Agri, etc. So I was saying, maybe we should find a way of naming different whatever in that school using the names of some of us. Some of us, but I said there's a caveat here. Some of us was in a sense of saying, by the way, I was going to come to that because I wanted to thank the President of Uganda, President Kaguta Yoweri Museveni, for, or with whom a happy coincidence put us together in this name of entire school of some kind. So, and he has made a huge contribution. You remember when we had a meeting here back, he made a pledge towards the school and fulfilled that pledge in a short time. So we've been building on that. So, but I was saying, giving these names to the school property, whether dormitories or lab or playing field, so as many as we can so that I was saying, I think the two of us, the President, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, and myself, we have had the opportunity to be named after many things. I wanted to exclude the two of us, and so you will have to set up the criteria by which those from Uganda will choose some names. I'm just guessing. People will go into details of this. Maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. And then on the side of Rwanda, they do the same, and we use these names to carry on the name and everlasting memory of the partnership, the coming together of the two groups around the school, Tare school. So that was a suggestion. Think about it. No pressure, nothing. If you don't get the names, it's okay. We can put X or something else. But I just thought for all of us to keep this going and for almost forever, even after all of us, when we have lived enough of our lives, then that name, that school, with these names that will come from you, I think I was thinking it's a good thing. So we are very happy that you honored us and came in such a big numbers. You honored the entire school. You honored everyone associated with the entire school and the idea that, the idea, the philosophy that entire school is. It's not just a school. It's something. In fact, as I said earlier, it contributed a lot to who some of us have in the end become. And when we are doing things the way we are doing that, some of us, the contributions we make, carry the name in some way, in a part of it, the name of Ontario School. So I thank the headmasters of the school. They introduced us to, and the teachers, of course the students, all those who went through as students and have become whom they have become. We are thankful, we are happy. I wish you a long night. So please, tomorrow I would have wished to come and join you, but there is a problem here. Somebody, I think, conspired to keep me out. Because the same time you will be playing, I will be campaigning. I have a meeting of my political party. We are having elections this year, and they want me to compete for So if I didn't go and went to play football, you understand what would happen to me. They would just erase my name. And so I think let me go through with this one first, and then we can play football next time as many times as we could be here. So, thank you very much.